what you're about to see now is a pre-recorded demo because they don't trust me with the live demos, but it's essentially Probax Control. So that's our centralized dashboard for monitoring and managing your client's data protection solutions. Now in the backup for Office 365 interface, you'll notice that there's some SharePoint and OneDrive options which have been grayed out. Now they'll remain grayed out until we've formally launched version 2 of the product in the not so distant future. So let's get into it. So this is what it looks like. This is essentially, like I said, Probax Control. You'll see the interface for backup for Exchange very soon. But the first thing we want to do, now that we've created a client, we want to go ahead and add an Office 365 organization. We simply click on Add. From there, you want to select where you want to store the data. So your options are AWS in Sydney or AWS in North Virginia, which is on the East Coast. Now, we're more than open to turning on more AWS locations if the demand's there. So once you enter in your Office 365 administrator credentials, the organization's been added, and now I can select which mailboxes I want protected. I can also choose whether I want to automatically protect new mailboxes as they're created. Now, before I demonstrate a test restore, I'm going to perform an on-demand backup, which can be done in addition to the 6 daily backups, which are done automatically. So I'll go ahead and click that. I'll click backup now, followed by close. Next, I'm going to open up Outlook. And I'm going to delete some items from my accounts mailbox. So I've deleted an individual email, and I'm just about to delete an entire folder as well. So there we go. So now that they're gone, I'm going to go back into Probax Control and initiate a restore. So simply click on Restore. I then select the restore point I want to restore from. I navigate to the mailbox, I find the items I want, and I click on Restore. So here I'm restoring an individual email as well as an entire folder. Once that's done, I'm going to hit Close, and then I'm going to head back into Outlook. So you'll notice that Outlook now has a new restore folder, and within that folder is another folder showing the date of the restore point you used, and in there will be the items that you asked to be restored. So from here, it's as simple as just drag and drop. So that can be performed by you, your staff, or even the end user. It's a fairly simple process. And that's essentially it. So within 2 minutes, I demoed a quick restore in Office 365.